Hello my dear students. So today we are going to continue our chapter number 5. In the previous video I have explained you about the nutrients and different forms of the nutrients. So now today we will discuss about the digestive system. Okay. So let's see the introduction of the digestive system. What is digestive system? The digestive system is used for breaking down of food. Okay, what is it? This is the system which is used to break down of the food into the nutrients. Okay, what are the nutrients? I have explained you in the previous video. So with the help of the digestive system, the food is breaking down it is breaking down into the smaller molecules, or we can say into the nutrients, which then passes into the circulatory system. Okay, when the food breaks down into the nutrients, that it passes into the circulatory system, and our circulatory system is, that it mixes up with the blood and it circulates as और आपको पता है कि जो blood है वो हमारे जितने भी body parts हैं वहाँ पे क्या करता है, circulate करता है. Okay, so this is a circulatory system and are taken to where they are needed in the body, and with the help of the circulatory system, these nutrients or passes through or it are taken to the various where they are needed, or simply we can say with the help of the circulatory system, nutrients are taken to the different parts of our body where that nutrient is, or that particular nutrient is required. Okay, so let's see it again. What is digestive system? The digestive system is used for breaking down food into nutrients, which then passes into the circulatory system and are taken to where they are needed in the body. Okay, so from here you can see this is the your digestive system. Okay, now the next is, now the functions of the digestive system. What is the function of the digestive system? So there are the 4 steps in this. So the first one is the ingestion. Spelling is ingestion. Ingestion, which means taking in food. Okay, ingestion means taking in food. As we put a first bite in our mouth, so that is an ingestion, means we are taking in food. Okay, now the next step is digestion. Okay, the next step is the digestion, breaking down food into nutrients. Okay, what happened in the digestion? The food is breaking down into the nutrients, or we can say into the small molecules. Now the third step is the absorption. Okay, after digestion, what happened? Absorption takes place. So what happened in this step? Taking in nutrients into the blood stream. ठीक है, जो भी nutrients आपके टूट रहे हैं, जो फूड मॉलिक्यूल्स है आपके न्यूट्रिएंट्स में ब्रेक डाउन हो रहे हैं, तो वो क्या हो रहे हैं? एब्जॉर्ब हो रहे हैं. कहाँ पे एब्जॉर्ब हो रहे हैं? इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम. ओके, इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम, एंड व्हेन इट गेट्स एब्जॉर्ब इनटू द ब्लड स्ट्रीम, देन इट ट्रांसफॉर्म और transport to the various parts of our body where we need that particular nutrient for the proper growth. Okay, and also for the building of the cells and for the proper functioning of that particular part of our body. Okay, now the next step, egestion. Okay, so the fourth step is the egestion. Don't get confused in ingestion and egestion. Okay, ingestion, that is ingestion. Ingestion means taking in of food. Taking in of food. Now this is the last step of the digestive system, that is egestion. Egestion means removing waste from the body. Okay, egestion, egestion. Egestion means removing waste from the body. Okay. Dear student, I have explained you that first part or the first step of the digestive system is the ingestion. Okay, ingestion means taking in the food. So that process starts from the mouth here. Okay, so from the mouth only your digestion of the food begins. So now what is it? When we take a food, okay, means when ingestion is taking place, then we chew it with our teeth. Okay, when we take in the food, then we chew that food with the help of our teeth. Then into small pieces. Okay, we break down or we chew that solid food into the small pieces here. Then that small pieces of the food gets with the help of the tongue, it gets mixes with the food with saliva. Okay, so the tongue here mixes food with the saliva here. Okay, so what is saliva? Saliva is a liquid form which is present in our mouth, and it contains what? Enzyme. Saliva contains enzyme, and the name of that enzyme is amylase. Amylase, amylase. Okay, and what is the function of this amylase? Is to break down the starch. It breaks down the starch which is present in the food. Okay, I have told you what is starch. So this starch it breaks down into the sugar. Okay, so whenever we eat the chapatis or the rice or the potato, means the food which is rich in the starch, okay, when we chew it, we taste it in the sweet. Okay, हमें कैसे लगता है वो? Sweet लगता है. Why? Because here the starch is breaking down in the sugar form with the help of the enzyme amylase. Okay. What is this? Your first digestion starts from the mouth. Okay, and when we intake, means the ingestion, the first step of the digestive system is take place, that is the ingestion. Okay, when we taking in the food, then we chew that food with the help of our teeth into these smaller pieces, and that smaller pieces with the help of the tongue get mixes with the saliva which is present in our tongue, and this saliva contains what? Enzyme. Okay, this saliva contains enzyme which is known as an amylase. This is the name of an enzyme, and this enzyme, that is amylase, helps to break down of this starch into the sugar. Dear student, this is very important step. Means with the help of the amylase, the starch is breaking down into the sugar, and all this process is taking place in our mouth only. Okay, it is not going into our stomach. Everything is this process, all this process is taking place in our mouth only. Okay, so the breakdown of this starch which is present in our food is breaking down into the sugar with the help of the enzyme here, that is the amylase. Okay, so here with the help of our mouth, we are taking the food. So ingestion is taking place, and ingestion is taking place in our mouth. So from here, from our mouth only, the digestion of the food starts. Okay, if the question comes that from which part of our body the digestion is start, that is from our mouth only. ठीक है, जैसे हम एक bite ले रहे हैं and we are starting chewing that the bite of the food, means the digestion of that food is started. Okay, so in your mouth, these three helps you to digest the food inside our mouth, that is from the teeth. First, your teeth grinds your food. Okay, the food that you intake, your teeth helps them to break down into the small pieces. Okay, so that's why I'm written here grinds. So it grinds your food. Your teeth grinds your food into the small pieces. Okay, then that after that the salivary glands, it gets mixed up with the saliva. What is the help of what is the function of the salivary glands? To produce the saliva in your mouth. Okay, जब आप फूड को च्यू करते हैं into the small pieces, तो क्या होता है that small pieces of the food or the small particles of the food, they get mixed up with the saliva. So now the saliva is secreted or it produced by the salivary glands. Okay, then the is the tongue. Tongue helps to push food. It helps to push the food into your esophagus. Into your esophagus. Esophagus commonly known as the food pipe. ठीक है, जो कॉमन टर्म है esophagus हम क्या कहते हैं? फूड पाइप कहते हैं. Okay, so when these small particles of the food, it gets mixed up with the saliva. Okay, and after that the saliva, the enzyme is present there, that is the amylase, and the amylase, the starch that is present in the food, it breaks down into the sugar. After that, when you swallow that food, okay, जब आप swallow करते हैं food को, so that food is known as bolus. BOLUS, bolus. जो फूड आप स्वेलो कर रहे हैं आफ्टर द च्यूइंग, ओके, तो उस फूड का हम क्या कहते हैं? बोलस है, BOLUS. सो दिस बोलस गोज डाउन टू योर स्टमक. Okay, it goes through the food pipe or the esophagus to your stomach. Okay, after this step, your food, that is the chewed food, which is in which the starch is broken down into the sugar, so that bolus, okay, उस food को हम क्या कह रहे हैं? Bolus. So that bolus goes down to your stomach through the esophagus, okay, which is commonly known as the food pipe. So here you ingestion is taking place. You have taken in the food into your mouth. Here you are chewing it with the help of your teeth, and it is going through, okay, growing through. So this part, this is the food pipe. Okay, so two pipes are there. One is the windpipe, okay, through which you breathe, okay. One is the windpipe and another is the esophagus. So from the esophagus or the food pipe, your bolus or that food particles goes through your stomach. This is the stomach part, ठीक है, यहाँ पे से जाता है, where it is going now to the stomach. Okay, so from the your digestion has been started from the mouth. Now the another step of the food which is going to be digested more, ठीक है, और छोटे particles में divide होते हैं. So that step will take in the stomach. Okay, so let's see that. So let's see what is stomach first. The stomach is a big pouch. What is a stomach? Stomach is a big pouch. Here you can see it is looking like a pouch here. Okay, so it is a big pouch which mixes the bolus. Okay, it is a big pouch which mixes the bolus. What is bolus? I have explained you that. Okay, with the gastric juice. Okay, which mixes the bolus with the gastric juice. Okay, now what is gastric juice? Gastric juice is a mixture of, it is a mixture of stomach acid. Stomach acid in your stomach, HCl is present here. In your stomach, HCl is present there. So this is a stomach acid. Okay, and the mucus. What is mucus? Mucus is a sticky substance. Okay, it is a sticky substance, mucus, and the enzyme is there. And the enzyme which is present in the stomach is pepsin. Okay, the enzyme which is present here is the pepsin. So this bolus gas mixes up with this gastric juice. Okay, here this bolus gas mixes with the gastric juice in the stomach. What is gastric juice? Gastric juice is the mixture of stomach acid. Stomach acid is an HCl. Okay, and the mucus. Mucus is the sticky substance, and the enzyme, the name of the enzyme is the pepsin here, or we can say the pepsinogen. 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 Okay. So this is an enzyme. So now let's see the digested bolus. Okay, the digested bolus means the bolus which get digested further, okay, in our stomach. So that is known as the chyme here, chyme, chyme. Okay. So this digested bolus is now called the chyme, and it leaves the stomach. Okay. Now what happened? It leaves the stomach and it goes to the small intestine. This part is the small intestine. Okay. This one is the large intestine, but this is the small intestine. So after being digested from here, so this chyme goes to the small intestine. Okay. So now the further digestion we will discuss in our next video. So till then, keep learning, stay safe and stay healthy.